Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm doing another video. I think this is part 2 for a brand called Hue. They go by the name HU, and their tagline is Get Back to Human, and that's what the name of the brand looks like. It's Hue, and last time I did some chocolate bars. This is actually one of their products too, and also I will have a link below to their website to check out everything that they offer. They offer lots of different products. So, and I think I'm going to be doing another part 3 on a different product that they just came out with. So this is what they call their gems, which is their snacking and baking dark chocolate. And there is a story behind this, but I'll just tell you a little bit more about it. It's vegan, paleo. They use organic cacao. It's 70% cacao. It's also got no dairy, no gluten, no cane sugar, no refined sugars, no sugar alcohols, no palm oil, no emulsifiers, no soy lecithin. It's USDA certified organic, non-GMO, excuse me, project verified, certified gluten-free. It's also kosher. And this is a 9-ounce bag. So what they say here is that about baking, which is the foundation of the Hue chocolate, it says, they wrote here, should the chocolate in your baked goods be junkier than the chocolate bars you eat, right? So of course not. That's why we've got you covered, they say. So it's also house ground cacao, just so you know. So these little gems, and when I open it, I'll show you them. They're actually hexagons, which is a robust, efficient shape, ubiquitous in nature. Hexagons are the foundation of many natural phenomena. Baking was the foundation of the Hue chocolate line, and in 2012, they have their Hue Kitchen restaurant. They have a restaurant actually in New York. The bakers needed a chocolate for their pastries, and that's how the chocolate bar line arose from the baking chocolate. So now that's what they also make, the chocolate bars, and I did that in the first video. So, but these are the gems, and the gems only are made of the 3 ingredients: organic cacao, or unrefined organic coconut sugar, and organic fair trade cocoa butter. That's it. Pretty nice and simple, but just so you know, it does contain coconut, and it may have traces of other things like almonds, cashews, and hazelnuts. It says allergen cleans are made prior to production, but also so you know it's made on equipment that processes tree nuts, soy, peanuts, milk, and wheat, just in case you can't do that. You can't have any cross contamination. And there are no stabilizers in here, so it says keep below 75 degrees to avoid melting. I actually keep it in the freezer. That's what I do with all my chocolate bars. So to tell you a little bit more about this, it says there's 17 servings, 1 tablespoon. So one, just eat them like this, or you can use them for baking too as well, or desserts or any kind of thing. You know, put them on top of ice cream or vegan ice cream. So it says that it's got 4% vitamin D, 10% iron. Yeah, I know that cacao is high in iron. It's also got 2% potassium. So that's about it. Sugar is minimal. You know, everything else is kind of on the minimal side. So just to show you what it is. So I'm going to open this up. I have a scissor here. It is also a resealable bag, which is nice. So I'm going to open this up here and take a try of them. I haven't tried these yet. And I'll show you what they look like. See if they have a nice smell from the coconut sugar. Oh yeah, they smell like chocolate. Oh, okay, that's cute the way they do it. I see what they say about hexagon. It's actually like a cylinder, but the bottom it's a hexagon shape, if you could see that. But it's like this, which is really cute. They call them gems. So it's got a little, it's kind of like a little cylinder. It almost looks like a bucket. It looks like a bucket. So I'm going to try that. Now, a lot of people don't know, or actually I'm not swallowing it. I'm actually letting it melt on my tongue, so the flavors come out more. Now, of course, if it was hotter, it would melt much faster, but your mouth and your tongue and your saliva lubricate it. That's very nice. And all you need is 1 or 2 of these. And if you do it like the way I'm doing it, just let it melt on your tongue. Roll it around. Actually, you don't need as much to satisfy you because the brain is getting the satisfaction when you do that. A lot of people don't know that about chocolate. So that's very nice. Mild, a little bit sweet, and not super sweet. So you could also melt this down if you want, if you were going to make something with it, and you wanted it to be kind of like you wanted to pour it onto, you know, something on your fruit or something, on like a fruit salad or something. Make a chocolate syrup out of it. That's really nice. That's really it wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but that's not in a bad way. But it's actually really nice because I just had 1 of them and that was sufficient. And now it's almost finished melting in my tongue. So yeah, this is very nice. I would recommend you check them out. Again, this is Hue. They're gems. It's their snaking and... That was said that word too fast. I was trying to combine the word snacking and baking. It's snacking and baking dark chocolate. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.